Hi, I'm Tae Kim and welcome to my 8th lesson for learning Japanese from scratch. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to read and write the Y vowel sound and the double consonant sound. A Y vowel sound is made by shrinking ya, yu, or yo to a much smaller size and attaching it to the character for the E vowel sound of a given consonant. For example, in order to add a ya sound to the K consonant, you first write the E vowel sound for K, which is ki, then attach a small version of ya. The resulting sound becomes kya. So if we take all the consonant plus E vowel sounds in Hiragana and attach a small ya, yu, and yo, we end up with a chart that looks like this. Let's go through and read each character in this chart. The Y vowel sounds attached to ki are pronounced as follows. Kya, kyu, kyo. The Y vowel sounds attached to shi and chi are pronounced as follows. Sha, shu, sho, cha, chu, cho. The Y vowel sounds attached to ni and hi are pronounced as follows. Nya, nyu, nyo, hya, kyu, hyo. Finally, the Y vowel sounds attached to mi and ri are pronounced as follows. Mya, myu, myo, rya, ryu, ryo. We're not quite done yet. You can also append the Y vowel sound to the voice consonant sounds we learned in the last lesson. If you attach the 3 Y vowel sounds to the voice consonant sounds, you end up with a chart that looks like this. Let's go through and pronounce each character in this chart. Gya, gyu, gyo, ja, ju, jo, bya, byu, byo, pya, pyu, pyo. Here are some example words using the Y vowel sounds. Isha, ocha, ryokucha, ninja, shuto, shashin. We will now go over how to make a double consonant sound. Here's how it works. By inserting a small version of the tsu character between 2 other characters, the consonant sound of the second character gets attached to the end of the first character. For example, if you insert a small tsu between ka and ta, the T consonant sound of ta is also pronounced at the end of the first character. The resulting sound becomes katta. Let's take a look at a couple other examples of double consonant sounds. In the first example, the second character has a K consonant sound, so the resulting sound becomes akka. In the second example, the second character has an S consonant sound, so the resulting sound becomes zashi. Here are a couple more examples. In the top example, cha is considered to be a T consonant sound, so the T is pronounced at the end of the first character to produce the sound mecha. Similarly, in the bottom example, the P sound is pronounced at the end of the first character and is pronounced shippo. Here are some example words using the double consonant sounds. Matcha, shippo, jakkan, zashi, motto, ketchaku. In this lesson, we learned how to use small ya, yu, yo, and tsu to make additional sounds. In the next lesson, we will learn how to read and write long vowel sounds. Make sure to check the links in the video description for additional resources, and please post any questions regarding this lesson in the comments. So until then, see you next time. One of the example words from this lesson was cha, or tea in Japanese. Similar to sushi or sushi, cha is usually preceded with an honorific o, and is usually referred to as ocha. Ocha is very popular in Japan to the point that it's available pretty much anywhere you go in convenient plastic bottles. Green tea or ryokucha is one of the most popular types of tea in Japan. Tea is also very deeply rooted in Japanese culture. Matcha is a type of powdered green tea that is used in Japanese tea ceremonies. You don't have to participate in the Japanese tea ceremony to enjoy matcha. Matcha flavor can be found in many snacks such as ice cream and even Kit Kats in Japan.